Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And we've got another unbagging of nail polishes that we got at PBE today. It's Psychonaut Cosmetics. Let's see what's in here. So we have 5 magnetic polishes. Let me get them out and we're gonna have a look. All right, so this is the first one we're gonna look at. Don't even think about asking me what color these are, because I don't know. I can't describe colors I'm learning. Like, this might be gold. It might be copper. I don't know. We'll see, though. We'll see. This one's called Hazard. Looking real beautiful up front. You definitely want to use kind of a thick layer when you're doing magnetics, so they have plenty to pull. And then you want to make sure that you're giving this like 30 to 60 seconds of just holding it so the polish itself has time to start drying. It's still going to disperse because it's not dry all the way through. I like to put these in a nail dryer and hold the magnet over it while it's in there to help speed up that process, but we can't do that with swatching. So that's what we've got for this first one. It looks like the base is actually like this dark, more than blood, but not quite purple like the camera would have you believe. But it's glittery, it's a dark red, and then the magnetic pull appears to be a shift of green, but then also one of those little lines appears to be a little bit orange. So that is a very interesting combination. I wonder what this would look like if you magnetized it with those little balls that make that water effect. I don't have any, but I bet it would be real cool. All right, so here's the next one we're gonna look at. Is it a green? Maybe, I don't know. It's called Psychonaut. Well, it presents as a green up front. That doesn't mean that it is. Let's magnetize it for a little while. There we go. So this one actually gives a glittery purple base. The angle that I am looking at it is like this. So what I'm seeing is different than what the camera's seeing because that's right up above. So this base looks blue in the camera, but it is purple to me. I think if I turn it, you can kind of get hints of that purple. But it's also got this green magnetic, and it looks like there's a bit of an underglow that's almost a yellow. So that's a pretty color, and I really feel the same way that this would look real cool as like a splotch if we had some sort of interesting cluster of magnets. I have some of those little square ones I could try something with, but we'll have to see. So here's our next one. It might be gold, but it also might be green. Like, it's not that, and it's certainly not that, but it's something. It's Toxic Sludge. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, so it is green, at least up front. I think it might have some flakes in it, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe some tiny, tiny particles. Let's give this a moment, and then we'll check it out. All right. So, this one has a similar red base to the first one, but it's got more of a purple hue. It's more of like that berry than the bloodier one. It also has this green pigment that pulls with the undershine of gold. I'm wondering if I just picked out a bunch of polishes that have the same magnetic particles but different bases, because it's kind of seeming like that's what happened here. Not that I'm hating it. So we're gonna look at this one next. It's different. This one might be blue, but it also might be like red or purple. I don't know. It's warped. It definitely presents as a purple, so that's something. Let's magnetize and see what we get. Raise your hand in the comments below if you think the line is going to be green. 5 points to anybody who gets it right. If you don't think it's green, comment what color is it. What is the magnetic pull color in Warped? All right, time to reveal. Are you ready? It's not green. It's blue. Well, who saw that coming? This one also has that sparkly red base though. And it feels like these bases, the sparkles are actually not the same color. Like, yes, they are predominantly whatever color they are, like red. But I think there's some silver in there too. Maybe it's reflective. Either way, it is very juicy and dazzling. I like it. It is so pretty. And then we have this one. This is our last one. It might be brown. It might be gold. I don't know. But what it is incredibly popular. Probably their best seller. It is highly sought after and constantly out of stock. Everybody wants this polish, so I had to get it while I had the opportunity. It's Psilocybin. All right, let's see what all the hype is about. So it's going on, and I would describe this as in the copper or sandy brown family. I don't know. But let's magnetize it and see what it is. Ready? There it is. Okay. So the line is that color that I was seeing. That's a bit of a metallic, coppery, rusty something. And then the base, it's the same kind of glitter particles as the others, but this one's actually blue. Kind of like a rich turquoise, not like that dusty turquoise. This one's more like if turquoise were a clear stone. It would be kind of like that, and a little bit more blue, like aqua leaning. It is quite beautiful, and I definitely know why people like it. I would also be interested, as these others, to see how this pulls with a bit of an interesting magnetization technique, because you can almost see, like, besides that coppery color, there's a bit of a red under there as well. And so I'm wondering if we'd be able to see all three colors with these polishes if we were to use a cluster magnet. So that is it for Psychonaut Cosmetics. Let me know, how do you say it? The way it's spelled, I read Psychonaut, but the way people say it, it's Cleona, and I don't think that's right. But maybe, what do I know? Tell me, what color are these? Because I have to go and label these in my spreadsheet, and I don't know what color to put, but we'll put something. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, leave me a sparkle emoji, the little yellow cluster of little four-pointed star thingies, the sparkle. Leave me one of those so I know that you made it to the end, and hit the like button if you like this video. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. And absolutely make sure you're subscribed so you're not missing any of these videos, as well as any of the other fun videos that we do. You know we do cool stuff over here, and there's a whole back catalog for you to catch up on if you haven't so far. Definitely stay tuned for the upcoming polish reveals and swatching, because we do have a few more. And the link for Psychonaut will be in the description, as well as a list of these polishes. So if you want to get any of them for yourself, you can go check it out, see if they're available, scoop them up, get you a Psilocybin if you ain't got one. And then there are some other affiliate links and discount codes and stuff down there. Go ahead and grab those for your use, and follow my socials. Those links are down there too. Sometimes I post things over there that may not get posted over here, and you don't want to miss that either. But that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.